The local agent OS architecture represents a new era in autonomous computing. By running open-source models locally and decoupling the reasoning engine from the execution environment, we gain total autonomous control, allowing local systems to outperform closed-source giants in agentic tasks. To get started, open your terminal and type Hermes model. Select Moonshot from the menu and log in using your credentials to connect the Kimi K3 brain. Remember, using the coding plan is essential to unlocking the model's maximum reasoning capabilities. Managing your models is seamless with the dashboard. Navigate to the Manage Dashboard panel, open the Models tab, and search for Kimi. If you don't see it, click Refresh. Once found, simply click Switch to activate it instantly and prevent any workflow disruption. You can acquire persistent skills using the equo/arn command. In the Hermes chat interface, type n/arn followed by a guide URL. The agent will digest the document and extract core lessons. Click Save Local Skill to ensure the agent never has to start from zero again. Activate the shared memory layer to help the agent learn your style. Open System Settings to initialize shared context and enable synchronization across all interfaces. Once you add a project note in the CLI, it will appear in the Hermes UI. Control external applications using MCP bridges. Install the bridge for your software, connect Hermes to the API, and describe your environment. With a single click on Execute Script, you turn your agent into a true autonomous operator within your favorite desktop tools. The Hermes Oracle allows for automated workflow scheduling. Drag the Twitter API node to the canvas, connect it to the Kimi K3 reasoning node, and route it to your WordPress API. Set your cron job, and the agent will scan trends and publish content while you sleep. Ingest competitor data at scale by inputting URLs into the data table. Assign an Astros scanning task, and let Kimi K3 read the high-volume context to extract unique angles and content gaps. You can then feed these directly into a video generation agent for rapid deployment. For improved results, run a mixture of agents. Select Kimi K3 as your primary drafter and GLM 5.2 as your secondary refiner. Assign them to a single task and review the cross-verified output. Fusing models this way saves API limits while producing much sharper results. For complex tasks, use goal mode. Input your macro-level objective into the prompt and let the agent work. It can map, write, and batch publish content unsupervised, so you can step away until it's time to stop the sequence. Delegate tasks efficiently using Kanban agent teams. Create a project space and assign distinct personas to Kimi K3 instances, such as director, builder, and judge. Drop a task into the column to see the agent flow perfectly between these roles. You can even generate interactive code components. Feed the agent an open-source coding skill, prompt for an interactive web canvas, and preview the results in your local browser. These models can build fully responsive environments, not just static scripts. You can verify the performance of these models on the Code Arena leaderboard. By filtering for top-tier coding capabilities, you can observe Kimi K3 dominating the top spot, proving that open-source models are often outperforming closed ecosystems. Finally, orchestrate your agent stack in the command center. Verify your memory layer is synced, confirm your local skills are stored, and check for active cron jobs. Once everything is green, deploy your fully automated system. In conclusion, the Agent OS ecosystem offers a clear structural advantage over traditional chat. With persistent memory, long horizon execution, and deep app integration, it's time to stop living in the chat box and build a system you can trust with real work.